What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another one. This morning we are headed out turkey hunting. Gonna go guide my buddy Josh and his dad John. Hopefully we can get some birds on the ground. We're gonna be hunting over at his uncle's house. They've been seeing a bunch of birds every day. They're just right back behind the barn. So hopefully we can get on them and hopefully they cooperate today. It's kind of drizzly and rainy and crappy, but can't kill them from home. So we're going to give her a shot, see what we can do. Stay tuned. Hey, they're coming. I see them. Straight out in front of you. Shoot it if you see it. Hang on. I see one. I don't know if that's a hen or not. Straight out in front of him. Josh, be ready on your right.
Oh, here he comes. Do I shoot?
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Hang on, let it come through the bush. Get ready, be ready. Shoot it. Got him. Got him. Got him, baby. Got him. One. We got one. I told you no matter what, I'd rather us get one than none.
We can always try here again in the evening. See? Oh, right there.
If you can see a beard, shoot it. Well, it definitely wasn't textbook, but we got a bird down. Still a bunch of birds back here gobbling. We're gonna try to sneak and not blow them out. Maybe we can get on one in the afternoon or here in a little bit. We might circle around to the other side where we started. We had to change directions and come over here. We're gonna get this bird out of here. See if we can get on these other ones. Oh yeah, it's a nice bird. Oh yeah. Nice bird. Good shot. All right, let's go. Let's go.
I caught him on the fly.
He came through right there, and then when he got behind that bush, he had us. He stopped, but I was like, wait till he gets out front, because he's either gonna go back the way he came or the other way. He went the other way.
Yeah, came right across. He didn't stop at all. He didn't even stop.
Hammer
Just
time.
kept moving, man.
I think he had a hen with him. Because after he came through over here in front of John, I saw another one. I was like, if you can shoot it, do it. And I was like, wait, make sure.
Did you see him?
Way back there, but I mean, it was like,
Yeah.
like by those big trees back there.
Keep in mind, you can shoot up to 70 yards plus. I mean, that was a 40-yard shot there.
That pattern was tight. Look at you see the stick that's chopped down?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's where he was.
Yep. Because as soon as he came out of that clearing right there, right out of that brush, boom. And he was looking while he was going too. He was not stopping.
Oh no, he wasn't stopping.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right. If we wait till the afternoon, we let him cool down a little bit, I think we'll be all right.
It's funny, even after you shot, they were still like answering and
Yeah.
They were calling back.
We got too excited. We should have stayed put. I should have just did fighting purrs and see if they came to him flopping. Because a lot of times they'll come in to flog him. They'll come in to beat up the dying bird, you know?
Oh, yeah. They will. Yeah. I've seen it for sure. Oh, you're right. And we should have just sat back and let you do that because we just ran right into them. And I seen them. They were right at the edge.
No? I'd rather have one dead turkey than no dead turkeys, that's for sure.
that's good.
Worked out.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad for not a turkey morning.
Right.
Be a good duck hunting morning. Foggy, overcast, drizzly.
It's got a good
It
sleep.
was actually starting to rain again, right?
Oh yeah, sprinkling.
I kept thinking different from the trees I'm going.
Alright, we went and got some breakfast. Now we're back. We're set up in the same spot where Josh shot his turkey this morning. We went around the block right over here, and there's 8 gobblers on 2 hens. So we're trying to see if we can pull them across the street. This is his uncle's property, and he sees the turkeys walk in front of his house every day. So we're set up on the path we think they take every day, and we're calling them. And we've got a mess of decoys out there, a little mini flock. Don't know if that's gonna hurt us or help us, but we're gonna find out. These gobblers are hammering every once in a while, not very consistently, but with the type of weather we got out today, I'm surprised they're gobbling this much. We're gonna sit tight and see how it goes. All right, well, that's the end of today's hunting adventures. We ended up with 1 bird, had an opportunity at another, but just didn't pan out. Called in a few hens, had a hen actually bed in my decoys and take a nap. That was kind of weird, never seen that before. But my phone and everything died, so finally got it charged and I'm finally home. Gonna get a game plan for tomorrow. Be heading back out tomorrow. But till the next one, thanks for watching. Peace.